All right, so I'm going to quickly just open this up since I know there is a ton of data over here as well. So right over here, what I'm going to go ahead and do is simply put, all right, just letting this load. Cool. So I'm going to go out there and pretty much sort this data and show you how I can track a lot of different things. Again, if you're not sure how to set this up, right? If you're not sure on how to go out there and really use Google Analytics, please make sure you get inside of Ecom Dudes Academy for the $1 trial to learn about how to do all this. But I'm going to show you exactly what we're tracking. Conversions, again, if you went to e-commerce, you went to overview, you can actually track, and this is what I really want to show you. This is where the most important part of, of anything comes into play. If I go to acquisition, right, and I go to overview, all right, it's going to show me where I'm acquiring most of my traffic from. Okay, so again, that's pretty dang important. However, I want to click on source and medium, see where a lot of this traffic and a lot of these sales are coming from. Just for let's just go with today, which is October 2nd. All right, so let me just go right over here and show you why this is really important and show you how you can optimize this and what allows you to go out there and scale up your campaigns really easily. All right, so right over here, if we scroll down, you can see that we get a lot of sales, right? How many new visitors, transactions, all that stuff. However, it's a secondary dimension over here. Now, what I want to just show you over here as well as conversions, I can actually set, if you learn how to set up goals, which again, we talk about inside of Ecom Dudes Academy, you'll learn how to set up goals there as well because it is a little bit more in-depth, a little bit trickier. It'll show us all of our goals. So it'll show us the conversion rate, how many conversions we've had, and the total value of the conversions. However, I want to show you secondary dimension because this is pretty cool. You can type in device, okay? Device category, and it's actually going to put it right over here next to source and medium. And what it actually goes ahead and does is it shows you what device your sales are coming from more than often not. So we have desktop, mobile, and then desktop over here. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, that means from, hang on, give me one quick second as this sorts, from all the transactions that we're actually getting, right? So let me just take a look at this, right? We have transactions over here. So I'm going to sort the transactions that we have, the 6 transactions, and then I'm going to look at where majority of our sales are coming from. So we have the top one on desktop, then we have mobile over here, we have desktop again, and then we have a tablet, okay? Somebody purchased from a tablet, which is really impressive because, again, only 3 people today came from a tablet, and we have a 33% conversion rate on there. So again, what you have to keep in mind is that these secondary dimensions is absolutely super important because not only that, you can tell when you're advertising as well if you want to split test by mobile or desktop, and more importantly, let's just say you're getting tons and tons of sales outside of the US, you want to know where these sales are coming from. So right over here, let's take a look from right at number 5, United States. We have Austria, we have Norway. However, let me kind of just show you last 30 days. All right, let me just show you this over here, how we can actually go out there and look at, all right, so just go over here, transactions. Where is this over here? Okay, so it's already sorted. United States, okay, good. Then we have Canada as well. However, we could take a look at where majority of our sales are coming from. So if we take a look at this one right over here, 167, United States, 61, United States. Then we have Canada and the United Kingdom as runner-ups, all right? Then we have, United States as well. So there's a lot of stuff that you can go out there and do. Now I'm going to sort by month really quickly, all right? Just to kind of give you this basic overview, if anything, is the countries that this is all coming from. So as you can tell, we have the source and the medium over here. And again, if you really want to track this more than anything, you'd go to conversions, e-commerce, then we go to sales performance or even transactions at that point. So I'm going to go to transactions and then just quickly search by country, all right? So see where the country is most dominant, and then we're going to take a look over here, all right, and just take a look at which country has pretty much a lot of the what's it called? A lot of the sales volume over here. So let's just sort by the sales volume over here. So I'm pretty sure it was already yep, it was ascending. That's my mistake. All right. So we're going to take a look at the country as well. Here we go. United States, we have Sweden, okay, which is our 3rd highest performer. Australia is our 5th highest performer. Excuse me, it's technically, Sweden's technically our 2nd. Australia's technically our 3rd. Canada's our 4th because United States counts for 1, right? Then I have Ireland over here. Then I have UK yet again down here. And these are sorting by transaction IDs. So these are all unique transactions, just so you know. If I wanted to get rid of the actual transaction ID, we can go out there and sort that. But like I said, there's a lot that goes down into this when we're actually talking about analytics. Because if I just wanted to go in and take a look at this particular product for this month, and I wanted to go out there and just search by, let's just go out there and do country again, all right? So country, over here, it's going to go ahead and really give us deep data yet again. So here we go. It has United States first place, Canada second, United Kingdom third, Australia, Sweden. So I'd create ads targeting these particular countries. You know why? Because they're proven to convert. They're proven to go out there and make us money. So when it comes down to it, you're able to go out there and really, really, really hyper-focus your efforts on advertising, and then when you're actually advertising, you can use Shopometrics to go and take a look at your ROI. Very, very important, okay? So that's how we're using Google Analytics, and that's why it's really, really important to set up Google Analytics. There's a lot of stuff that you're going to be able to see, especially real-time reporting, whether it's real-time events or real-time conversions, whatever it is. And you're always going to see that there's people on your particular site, always browsing, always interested, and seeing where they are, what they're doing in the entire site browsing process, which is very, very powerful for you as well. All right, so again, guys, I just want to end this off right now and let you know that I'll see you in the next video.